Welcome foodies! In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make low carb and sugar-free brownies. These brownies are super easy to make and are really delicious, and I hope you guys like it. To get started, in a medium bowl, you're going to want to sift half a cup of almond flour, then you're going to want to sift through a quarter cup of cocoa powder, next you're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder, then you're going to want to add 3/4 of a cup of monk fruit granulated sweetener or any other granulated no-calorie sweetener of your choice, and then you're just going to whisk that all together until it's well combined. And now you can set that off to the side. Next, in a smaller bowl, you're going to want to add a quarter cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips that are sugar-free. I'm using the Lily's brand. And then you want to add 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter, and then put that in the microwave until it's nice and melted like this. And then you just want to take a whisk and mix that all together until it's nice and smooth, and then set that off to the side. Next, in a large bowl, you're going to want to add 3 eggs, and then you want to take an electric mixer and beat those until they're nice and frothy. As you can see here, lots of little bubbles, that's when you know it's ready. And then you're just going to slowly pour in your chocolate mixture until it's well combined. And then just combine your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients and mix them until they're well combined. Next, I'm going to add in a quarter cup of those sugar-free chocolate chips into the batter, and then I'm just using my spatula to fold them in. So now here I have a pan that I've just lined with some parchment paper, and you want to pour your batter in and then just spread it out smoothly. And once it's all nice and smooth, you want to bake this at 350 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes, and you have to let it completely cool before you cut into it, or else it will be a gooey mess. And here is the finished product. As you can see, I did drizzle on some of those sugar-free chocolate chips just as an added flair. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!